Yo, yeah. Ghana entertainment industry. Yeah. And now family kopie mu ewo London GhPage online show so. Now after family performance no GhPage online ebusa family assembly. Na family reply no obo shattawale din enunti anamatenase.
Question is if you could pick any artist to pull up to this live stream next, any artist you want, but they must be alive. They must be alive.
Alive, of course.
So they can come and perform. Who would that be? You can only pick one person.
One?
Only one.
You need to do me one favor.
Okay.
I will mention one big person and one upcoming.
Okay, go on then.
Yeah, right?
Okay.
So I want to see Shattawale. Let me hear you say, pa, 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 pa. Yeah, I want to see Shattawale and I want to see Bonah Boy as well.
Okay.
Right.
Say the last name again. Go.
Bonah Boy.
Bonah
Boy. And I'm actually the rapper Deco. Let me use the opportunity. My guys are there. Okay. Boys are hungry. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of them.
So we're going to Ghana.
Bonah Boy, Deco, Holy Rhino, I'm actually the rapper Babatunde. There are a lot.
Okay. Well, family music tour ewo London. Na tour no watuni din 2-in-1 tour. Na nyame yaduma coming Sunday we ya me no kase, which is 9th November 2025. Based on my observation, me who say family tour na or ye ewo UK no, and I say show na all about this very Sunday ewo Steel Yard ewo London no. Me therefore talkability no ewo form. And until me nipa bebre edin komo about the show. Because last Sunday, because show be there were a lot of Ghanaians. Me ubu so be as a chale family obeba family show. Like people were like, "Are family or London? Family bo show or London?" So I was wondering what is going on, and I'm reading so many content creators from all London. Me who so be a show no World Cup on. I say, "Oh, projected," and I was asking myself, "Are they near Koso? Why not two family for say or London and be show up?" And once I be a post flyer, no akoda de chin ya na ho na ema. Me ntiase. And I be a family say level na wadru no. O nya say odi energy ebe hye ni show mu. Or the audience that I'll post here there. Enipo ohia no omo beba because me check it ho na family ye show no. I think say the maximum capacity cry 1,000 people. And now mutimi sa redesign ho no e manifa lesser number. And ntimi who say bia family are selling tickets you said you because me nipa be breading come about this enti minya time ekọ ne flyer ne so ekọ check ni o ma bi ba me hu say wow some of the big names are sabi uye bibi or London no mutimi support o ma de ne successful in term no they were not part but me imagine say me musa obia me pese me ti obia nu masem na me dey content no me pese me feel free na me can dey me hu and I was like okay ebi a family on a star oh family will be a team family a create new star be or be promote tour no and as show no this very Sunday and then me danya ni na mu say family echo GhPage online show ni so ti me who sana na mu say no any family show all born Sunday and as family 2-in-1 tour na all year no UK no ye won krofo bi ho a o mu share kira o mu twetwe blocks no o ma tu ne fo say bia onfa kwan bi so ontwa nkrofo bi mfim no onye na ade because ekro no enye obia ne control enu ti mi hu family e o GhPage online show ni so no ade bi ba ma adwenim say no unua ebe use platform we e dia talkability e o Ghana and I say or their talkability about the show on the socials and lo and behold me ko hu video a GhPage ebisa family say why na opese oba show ni so a omaso and lo and behold family ekobo Shattawale din to me what's mean kind of crepa for family to mention Shattawale's name no nyoma mienu because check family started me say family tweety medical say chale wale lie ben say ni me hu sa de no it which means come here say nan say no wale hu adwene e wo family trim anase FAMEYE ready Ghana entertainment booklet no atiase say Ghana entertainment industry no say we nyankopon free hɔ a nipa open talkability about onyom or album or interviews or shows everything you are doing in the Ghanaian space no obetimi amount that energy na eye nipa ba kope eye prekese jamedu shattawale enti me to me no ebia FAMEYE you see shattawale as a bait say be ye obenya talkability about the show but nya de ebia opese shatta ko show ni so anase ebia enka on a normal day FAMEYE bebo shattawale din say shatta na next person so ko show ni so. I might be wrong. I might be wrong. But nia mi hu ya na me ne other entertainment lovers edi hu nkomo no ebe mu pepepe. Enu ti mi kra me ya ma say menye content about the show no because minim dia ekoso. Enu ti bi akoye content a ne ebi akoka nia ni se woka. But ena no pay o man send videos no am say and the asem na woka say FAMEYE show no talkability no wo form no. Wako use aging platform no use wallet a generating talkability gradually. And I'm saying, hey, and I see a man in Kokwa. I was the born quite a crab any day. I don't see, therefore, FAMEYE ever landing, Yami Adman, this very Sunday. Hono and shut down so Kesibia. Mumiyama, FAMEYE sold out. FAMEYE so be the 2 for, sir, dear, jumping crophobia, one with the metro no. Na ye wa de be fa ne nyoma FAMEYE ni also the 2-3 munie sympathy vote there once in a blue moon ubetuma win sympathy bi now they are selling show but ada sympathy votes na ma no eya na me do for ani December akokra enne me de ma wa wan hwe ya enyimire ho be sere sama ade ache ene se ewiase ho ade a ebeye dekese power brochure ene se wa send this car more than be about 1,000 and answer 2,000 and 500 and 100 200 akọ Ghana uyusu lemfi na wo ho a no nya notification krum okosha ya sika na wo send koye no lemfi for say omani aso say uyusu omo na wo de send sika kọ Ghana enu nti no promotion omo ye no sika na wo de kọ Ghana no o masa do sika nyina ma me do fa se mu etu a be de o e be de bruta this month lemfi say sika bia a wo di be free amanone akọ Ghana no you stand the chance say obesenya sika ni nyina back into your lemfi app me do for what wo ye den start to send the sika ko Ghana na emom no ansa na cashback we no benya no gise uyusu lemfi dodo na mo register lemfi na se bi mo pay full money back no o register lemfi we a memory so be use Bonah BONAH as o referral na say promo code ana say o America na person de onioma free America eko Ghana very simple for Box Oak Logistics ofre omun so aka kire say enam TheBonahShow so and our team omunka ombecha 10% discount eni gisem kran say bia wo America bia ofre Box Oak Logistics omu de car ebeba ofie abe box ni omani nyina kama na omudi akọ Ghana asumdue mama I'm out.